Hello! Today I'm really excited to share my very first Wevolve box with you. This should be the October 2018 box. I ordered this on October 3rd and it's here November 5th, so about a month's turnaround. This was kind of an expensive box. It's a spiritual box. Let's see what we are going to find. I always get excited when it's my first time with the box. Oh, let me show you the box. This is the box. Basically, the only emblem is this. Everything else is blank. There was a shipping label. It's kind of beat up, so hopefully nothing got damaged. Okay. Pretty. And angelic realm box. So basically, it's themed around angels, which who doesn't love angels? Everybody loves angels. Let's see what's up. First thing I see is Belusia Wellness Candle, Grounded Labradorite. Crystal infused candle. Ooh, and it is totally jam-packed full of crystals. Smells very nice. I'm digging it. I can definitely smell beeswax, cedarwood, fir, bergamot, rosemary, and cinnamon. I thought I smelled beeswax, but it's got to be beeswax. That's why it says bees. Dee dee dee. Okay, this is rasp and some brown paper. Oh, I love bottles. Look at this beautiful bottle. Archangel Shamuel. His name means he whom seeks God. So let me see. Not sure what this is, but it's got some information on the back. It's got a blurb on the front. It looks like flower petals. Ooh, and it smells like roses. Let's see. I love these little bags. Y'all know that. I feel like this may be a crystal. Ooh, it's a little angel. Oh, awesome. Here is some kind of spray. Angel Rejuvenation Spray. Spray your face, spray your pillows, spray your space. Heaven in a bottle. Andean Orchid. Let's smell this. Smells great. So that's this. Got some charcoal disc, so now I'm thinking this may be loose incense. I'm gonna move our little fluffs. 33% off your order at Star Essence. So I always keep these because you never know when you're gonna want to expand. And then here is the big item. It's a book, the Archangelic Book of Ritual and Prayer. So basically little descriptions about each of the archangels. I mean, most of us are only familiar with like Michael, Raphael, Uriel, Gabriel, but I'm guessing I'm going to learn a lot more about this. This is pretty cool. So here is an overview of the whole box. Let me give you some more information. Let me start by saying I do like the box. I'll probably use everything in this box. It's definitely different than anything I get. You've seen my other boxes, so you kind of have an idea of what I'm getting every month. This is definitely something completely different. I will use all of these items. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily use them for myself. I might give some of them away, especially my mom. My mom is religious. So, some information. This is the Esoteric box by Wevolve. They also have a Cosmic Mini box, which is cheaper. This box is $49.95, but it is every other month. So if you were to calculate it monthly, it would be $25 a month. So I'm getting the October box, because on the website it says that they're not taking orders for this month's esoteric box until mid-November. So that's this box. I'm happy to show you guys because frankly I did not see very many, if any, I can't even think if I saw any reviews on YouTube about this, and so I really want to share this because one of my processes when I'm looking at boxes is I say, what are other people saying about it? What does it look like? What are people thinking about it? What are they getting? That's my main question. What are you getting in this box? Is it worth your money? So I will probably get one more, but at this point I'm giving it a 7 or an 8 out of 10. And frankly, for my investment, I would need a little more. So we'll see you next month. We will see how it goes. I frankly will use all of this, but I'm not super psyched about it all. I get this heady feeling when I get a really good box. And this one's just like, I'm okay, but I'm not like, wow. So anyways, if you have any ideas for boxes you want me to review, or just comments on what I'm doing here on this channel, please comment below. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I really want to get your guys' feedback. I want to keep doing this. I want to know what you think. So send me some information, some feedback. Bye.